y'all, good morning. Day 2 of Panama City. These pants too big, y'all. Swear to God, these pants are just too big. Oh man. So y'all, we had the All-American diner. The reason I came here because my sister had came. I'm sorry. My sister had came here and they went to this place and they was doing like a cool magic trick. So I definitely wanted to come here and catch that on vlog for you guys and want to show y'all guys more of what what was going on here. Yeah. All right. So shit, Rick, that's a shirt shop.
I was supposed to show them my plate.
I was supposed to show y'all my
Go
plate.
get me a plate.
But I didn't demolish. I had some eggs. The eggs was kind of dry.
I forgot to show me YouTube.
Had some chicken and
I
waffles.
ate it again. I did it yesterday.
Bacon and French toast sticks right there.
I'm finna just make me a good plate and even if I don't eat.
Oh, and then we had some hash brown.
I left the food.
So y'all, my brother forgot his what's the name in the car. As y'all can see, beach vibes, goggles on, everything on, beach vibes. You already know. I got my things that go in my ear and my things that cover my nose while I'm swimming. Five. Oh my God, shut up. I don't have to, breathe in no salt water or none of that. But guys, it's so beautiful. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we really at the beach game. And y'all, I'm gonna take y'all in the water. Yeah.
Okay, what waffle?
So y'all,
We that way. When you come down, you gotta do
we
that.
about to go to the beach. Y'all, I hate this. I love it though, cause it's really a vibe.
We go church have fun in the pool. That's this up here where the golf course is.
Yeah, they got a golf course. Oh, they got a. Oh, we stopped on 2 before we go.
I thought somebody else fell out already.
Y'all, this water is.
Oh, girl, I'm not doing it. I'm farther than you. And you can't pee out here.
Panama City is so beautiful.
I don't know where you gonna go with.
Come on, D.
Hey,
What you
I need my phone.
What you was doing? Yeah, we about to get in the water, but I'll get back to y'all when we get in the water game. Yeah, we finally getting in the ocean.
Oh, my neck. Oh.
Yeah. Come on, D. Farther out.
Yeah.
Farther out.
Farther.
Taking a little strong. Come on. Yeah, I got my goggles on. I'm not playing no more. We about to go out there. We about to go out there and see what's talking about.
Hey.
I'm about to die.
That, go ahead.
No.
Easy.
Okay, it's calm down. Let us go. Stop. And these seashells hurt right here.
They hurt.
Come on, we gotta go out. These These seashells hurt. Come on, D. Stop being a voice. You ain't about it.
These streets.
Okay. Come on, D.
I'm in these streets. I'm still going. What you mean?
They just so freaky. What you talking about?
me the lifeguard moves for this.
I thought you were gonna be in the lifeguard.
Yeah.
That salt is crazy. That salt is crazy.
It's not my sweat.
It's not the sweat.
I'm trying to get content for y'all, and this is what I go through. But we haven't talked about them. That's the part I'm going when they go.
I'm human.
We got it. It's alright, it's alright. We better get out there before they really start coming. Oh, this like everybody knows. Come on, get up here.
I'm up here.
No, you're not. You're not up here like me.
I'm up here in these.
Get up here.
Boy.
Get up here. I got to go.
Let me get back.
I'm about to swim over there.
Oh, that one just threw me all the way back like a pancake.
I know, right? But we got a lot going on. Is that? I ain't knowing too much. It's hot. Have that thing still on?
Yeah.
All right.
Still on.
See, I should have worn my nose thing. Y'all, but I'm gonna get back to y'all. Oh, I'm gonna get back to y'all. After we really start, turning up. I wish we would have brought a football or a ball or something
I'm trying to tell you.
to play ball.
That's why Carter be coming in clutch.
Yeah, Carter do. Shout out the little cart. Oh, we could have got one from Walmart while we was there.
I ain't back on that ball.
Everybody, yeah, we thought everybody was about to turn up at the beach.
Oh,
you. So y'all, we left the beach. We at the hotel pool right now. I'm gonna get in this one with the hotel. See, this one go to 5. That one just go to 4 and 3.
yeah, cool.
So which one we getting? I'll be right back. Yeah. At the pool.
CJ, come on now. Get up. Get up.
Yeah, I was swimming real slow. But I ain't gonna say nothing. Polo. Polo.
Polo. Polo. You look lost.
Polo. 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 Polo.
So guys, the last clip y'all seen, I was in the I was where was I? I was in the pool, but I hope y'all really love this video, but y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. fit shit. So Air Forces. Working at Air Forces. Y'all guess what? What time it is? My birthday in 2 hours. Wait. My birthday in 2 hours, y'all. So go ahead and put them happy birthday, Big 13 in the comments. Go ahead and put happy birthday to me because my birthday is in 3 hours. Everybody not here, but we did get a few people here. Not everybody are here. My mama had to go get her tail light fixed because she got pulled over yesterday recently in last vlog I said she got pulled over. So she had to go get that fixed and we couldn't. Oh my. So that's what we're trying to do right now. But until the end, we waiting on them to see us. But they take forever to see us. So that's what we waiting on right now, guys. But you know, y'all go ahead and go like these pictures right here. Go ahead and go follow me on Instagram, link in the description, and go ahead and like them pictures. That's what you can do. No mushrooms at all. So guys, right now we leaving Applebee's. Ooh, they in the car making out. Oh my god, I'm gonna mind my business. So we leaving Applebee's. We about to go to the arcade now. Whew, I'm tired. I'll let y'all know when we get to the arcade. Okay. This is probably a long video, but okay. Guys, we made it. We here, but it's just. Thank you guys for watching that. Thank you guys for watching day 1 of in Panama City. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And today is my birthday. I'm editing this on my birthday, so y'all be, but leave happy birthday in the comments and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, another thing. Thank y'all for 200 subscribers. I know it don't seem like a lot, but to me, anything is a lot because, I literally just started YouTube, so this do, come and make me happy. So, thank y'all guys, and we'll get back to y'all on day 2. Gang.